Hey guys, it's Tyler with Analytive, and so I'm on my way to a team meeting, but I just had like 2 minutes, so I wanted to stop and talk about something that's been on my mind lately. This past weekend I was in Steamboat Springs, Colorado, doing some snowboarding with a bunch of friends. We were there with about 20 different people. Some of them were new. They were new skiers or people who'd never skied before. One night we went and we had like a little chili cook-off thing with a bunch of friends, and we started talking about how their day went as these new skiers, right? And I thought it was interesting because one of the things that all the new skiers said is they said, well, I only fell X many times. 1 time, 2 times, a few times, something like that. Like they were measuring their success based on how many times that they fell. But here's the thing, right? Like I remember, because I learned to ski like 3-4 years ago. I don't ski a snowboard. I learned to snowboard 3 years ago. But for me, it was really a matter of I was going all the time with people who were way better than I was, who were faster, who were going through trees, who were going through powder, who were going through stuff that I didn't want to touch. So the number of times I've fallen is, I don't know. I mean, I probably fell more times this weekend than most of those new skiers fell, just learning to snowboard, right? And I think that's true in life and business too. Like most of the Facebook ad campaigns we launch don't work and we kill them. Most of the emails I write don't get conversions. Most of the content that I create doesn't go viral. I mean, most of it just doesn't work. It's like, those are the falls, right? But the falls make you better, right? The reason that I can ski through the trees now, that I'm comfortable skiing through all the trees now, that I can go fast, that I can do what I want to do on a snowboard is because of all those times that I've fallen. It's all those times that I've messed up, all the times that I haven't quite got it right have made me better. And it's the same in business. And the reason I can write a great Facebook ad copy right now is because I've written a lot of really crappy ones. And sure, you learn, and I'm not suggesting that failure is something that we should shoot for. Of course we want to shoot for success. But if we're not falling, we're not at the edge of what we can do. So this week, fail at some things, right? Not intentionally, but try some things that you've never tried before, and if you fall, it'll be okay. Anyway, this is Tyler, and I will talk to you guys soon.